How does UX help AI? Well, UX is critical to AI development and design because in the past, UX had nothing to do with AI. AI has come out of the developer engineering world of a back-end system, of an algorithm, of an invisibleness of rules and policies that users and designers don't really see. So UX people are at this disadvantage. They're new to the topic of AI. We're all trying to understand it. And that's why it's important to understand that UX actually has a strategic role with AI. And that role specifically is to bring a bias-informed perspective to AI. It's to bring an ethically aligned design outcome to AI. And it's to use inclusive design as a way to reduce the harm and reduce the errors and embarrassment and loss of credibility that an AI system would have. Now, Google themselves have been a little bit behind with their AI offering, even though they're a giant, and they bought DeepMind, which is an AI company many years ago. It's interesting to note that the CEO of DeepMind was also very dedicated to harm reduction, but Google's had so many issues with it that they were almost a little too hesitant to roll it out, and even called it an experiment where OpenAI with ChatGPT raced ahead and sort of embedding it in all our productivity and web kind of systems. But that's the problem, because AI embedded into anything that moves is not helpful. And that's the role that UX people can play. You can't just cobble AI into everything. It needs to be relevant. It needs to be intuitive and apparent to users. It needs to actually fulfill a need and augment their work, their productivity, their thinking, their imagination, whatever it is. It needs to do its augmentation job in a way that they define, but that also reduces harm and increases inclusion as opposed to exclusion. So that's the agenda for how UX folks can help with AI efforts. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you soon.